The story of empty wallet. Ravi was 24. Every morning he opened his wallet, not to spend, but to check if there was anything left. Most days it was empty. He wasn't lazy. He worked hard, but his money disappeared faster than it came. One evening, sitting alone, he asked himself a dangerous question. Why do I work so hard yet stay broke? That night he wrote down every rupee he spent the next day. Tea, snacks, rides, small things, etc. By the end of the day, the paper shocked him, not because of big expenses, but because of small leaks were drowning his future. So Ravi made one decision. He didn't try to get rich overnight. He didn't chase shortcuts. He saved first, invested slowly, and learned one new money skill every week. Month passed, the wallet wasn't full, but it wasn't empty anymore. Years passed, Ravi didn't look rich, but he slept peacefully. Then one day, he opened his wallet and smiled, not because of the money inside, but because money no longer controlled his life. And that's when he understood, we don't become wealthy by owning more. We become wealthy by respecting every rupee we own. If we control our money today, our money will protect our tomorrow.